pleased to show you the 2018 Ioniq. The Hyundai Ioniq is available in 3 different electric versions. It's loaded with interior features, and the exterior will amaze you with its advanced design and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.